every time
Bubbers, I literally don't know how many times I have to tell you.
always make us late, and you know what? It don't even matter. Time is just a construct. Okay. Oh, thank you. That's important. People could really.
Babe, I've literally been waiting for you for an hour, man.
30 minutes ago. Dang. Always late. 30 minutes just sitting on the...
An hour ago, bro. Like. Sometimes I really be tripping.
We were supposed to leave 20 minutes ago. What the heck? Why are you so late? Half an hour ago. Now we're gonna... Waiting for like 20... I'm still in line. Waiting for 20 minutes.